Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you an awesome robot that can follow a line and also avoid the obstacles which are placed in front of it. Well, in this video we'll cover these following concepts. Okay, so the introduction about this robot is that, as I told you, it can follow a line. That means it's following a specific path, which is often kept by a black line. And also it can avoid the obstacles which are in front of it. So the main components used in this are the main thing, Arduino board, and then the DC motors, the IR sensor, the jumper wires, the motor driver which is L239D or L298N, and the wheels. Okay, so now why are we using the Arduino board is that it is a more accessible electronics platform and it is easily programmable by C++ language and simplified version of C++. So this is the Arduino board. This is the IR sensor which we are going to use for line following and also obstacle avoidance. We know that the brighter colors like white reflect light and the darker colors like black absorb the light. So using this, the IR sensor detects the colors, while actually it detects the intensities. When the IR rays fall on the lighter colors, it reflects and the photodiode receives the IR rays. But when it falls on a darker surface, it does not reflect and get absorbed, and the photodiode does not receive any IR rays. So this is how it identifies the intensity. So this is a DC motor which we are going to use. This is the L298N motor driver. You can also use a L293D motor driver. And the other components are the wheels and jumper wires. This is the connection to the Arduino board and the IR sensors and motor driver. Here we are using 3 IR sensors, 2 for line following and 1 for obstacle detection. The IR sensor has 3 pins, the VCC, ground and the output. So the VCC is the power supply, ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino board, and the out is connected to the digital input and the input of the Arduino board. And now the motor driver. It is basically connected to the power supply, that is 5 volts and ground. And also the motors are connected to the motor driver. And 4 pins from the motor driver are connected to the digital pins of the Arduino. Most often we use pulse width modulation pins. The connections are almost the same for L293D motor driver. Okay, so the working principle here is that we are using 2 IR sensors for line following. So when the right side IR sensor detects black, the robot moves left, making it go to white. And when the left side IR sensor detects black, the robot turns right, making the left side IR sensor go to white. So this is how the robot follows a line. And also when there is an obstacle in between, the robot stops. Okay, so this is the motor logic. When white is detected on both the sensors, that is 0 and 0, the robot moves forward. When the right side IR sensor detects black, the robot moves left. When the left side IR sensor detects black, the robot moves right. And when both the sensors detect black, the robot stops. Okay, so this is all about the line following robot. But do you know where these types of robots are used in real life? Well, actually, now it has become a trend about robot restaurants. But in reality, these robots actually follow a line to go to the desired table. And also in huge industries, these type of robots are used to deliver one substance to another place by using a path. And it follows a line. Thank you guys, and if you have any questions, please do comment below. And also, please do like it, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.